video that I'm making. It's been a while that I made a video, and today I have something to show you, the unboxing of my new device that I got from Untitled. And I wouldn't let pass the days that I will not share it to you guys, because this is most exciting. And it's like on my previous video, I already showed you my facial device, my eye lift device, and this one I got is the Derma Neck Lift Device. This is it, and this is one box. What's included that I got it here is this, the Derma Neck Lift Device that I'm gonna open it to you today and show you what's inside in this box. And then this one is also your 24K Prestige neck and neck serum. So this is the serum that you're gonna use on your neck Derma Lift Device. And also what I got is this fragrance milk cleanser. This is advisable for before anything you do on your face and cleanser. This is good stuff for your face. And also what I have here is the vitamin C oxygen mask, and it's enriched with organic extract. This is, I had this tried this before in the spa. It's really nice on your skin, so soft after doing the mask. And also I got a stem cell activated serum that I usually use on my facial device. And today I'm going to do the unboxing of these Derma Neck Lift Device. So excited to show you guys, and I haven't used this since I got it from the St. Marius spa. And you know, they're so awesome, and I'm a good customer from them, and they always give me a good deal. And I got this one in a very low price. No, it's even free. It's free actually. There we go. And I can't wait to do the unboxing of this device. And as see, it's really sealed tight, and it comes with like this. And it's according to the usage of this Derma Neck Lift LED device is this is a Derma Neck Lift device that is uniquely designed device that works on smart vibration technology to help relaxing the neckline muscles, firming the skin, resulting smoother and silkier skin. The Derma Neck Lift Device can be used in the front of the neck, at the back as well. A shoulder massage, you know, is going to have pain relief properties, and the Derma Neck Lift Device can be used on pain area for pain relief. So here we go. I'm gonna show you like this. And they said, told me to just charge it until it is fully charged with battery, and then you could start using. And this is really good because it's added to my collections that I had it already, that I bought it last year too, the facial. It's really tight, just like this. It looks like this. Did the sample of this one to me in the spa, and it's really look like that. And also there's the charging station where you could put just like that here. So fancy, so fancy. And then just charge it until when it's ready and fully charged. And then just charge it until when it's ready and fully charged. And this is the one that I'm talking about, that I had it already. I'm still using it and it's really good, and I really love it, really love it. And then what I have is also the eye lift device that I've been using also for years, because I had this last year. And then also the activated serum that I have, and then the hyaluronic acid, in which I could use it. Now I had another products from them, the vitamin C oxygen mask, and then this one, the Dior 24K Prestige, and it is made actually in the USA. Yes, made in the USA, manufactured by Dior 24K. So it's a really good brand, and I can't wait to use this. This is the added device that I have for this year. I'm so excited because I've been using this device for a year, and the entire tech products are really good, and you could really rely on. And as you can see, my skin is cared by the Empire Tech devices, and which is, it's a good investment. So this is for a lifetime warranty. So I had a lifetime warranty on this one. Whatever if broken or something, in which I don't think so, and you could go back and they will fix it for you, or they will replace a new one. And as you can see, this product is so wonderful and doing miracles on your face and your skin and your daily routine of your healthier skin. So thank you, and I'm glad you guys will like my video. See you next time on my other video. Bye.